welcome. If there was anything ever to say about pretty in pink, I would say this would have to be the prettiest in pink corset from the 1890s. French. Absolutely exquisite, beautiful, soft yet icy pink with this ecru lace around the bottom. Flossing, nice, shiny Duchess silk satin, beautiful flossing on the bust, lace trim across the top edge, deliciously yummy pink silk, heavenly piece. When I found her, I couldn't afford her, but the dealer really wanted me to have her, and she kindly said, wrapped her up and said, take her and pay me when you can, because she knew what a treasure it was. And I am grateful to her for insisting that I add this exquisite corset to my collection, because if there was anything prettier to have, this would be it. I hope you enjoy her as much as I do.